welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe down below. My name is Adeola and I upload videos about Africa, travel and lifestyle. So if you're interested in those topics, please do subscribe down below. Right now I'm booked an impromptu trip. I am in sunny Luxembourg. I will show you around the city centre. I just arrived on a bus from the airport, and fun fact, the transport here is actually free, so you can get buses around the city for free. So I'm going to take full advantage of that and explore the city. There's also free Wi-Fi, so I'll probably use the Wi-Fi to navigate around the city as well, and I'll show you what I get up to. Just about to cross one of the many beautiful suspense bridges the city has. Because the city is actually split up into two parts. You've got the upper region and the lower region. I'm currently in the upper one, so I'll be seeing all of the lower region once we go over the bridge. So let's go. So as you can see behind me is the elevator that I just took down, and I'm gonna keep walking. I think I'm heading into the older part of town now, and yeah, I'll show you whatever I see. So behind me is the palace. It's currently closed at the moment. Sorry, it's currently closed at the moment. But yeah, if you're ever in Luxembourg, this is the palace. I'll head off to my next destination and I'll show you what that looks like. So here you can get a really good view actually of this palace. So guys, just for reference, I literally have come from all the way up there down here, and I saw some people walking up that way, so Lord only knows how it feels to walk up, but it was very steep coming down. I'm at the Abbey now, the New Monster Abbey, I believe it's called, and I'll show you what the grounds of that looks like.
number you have dialed is not available at present.
So I just made it to the old fortress here, and you can see literally the whole of the lower part of Luxembourg, which is really, really beautiful. It's honestly breathtaking. I've just been here walking along the walls, and I think I might head back now. But yeah, if you're ever here, definitely do check out this site as well. Hi guys, you would have seen what I've gotten up to today. I am off now to my pub crawl in Luxembourg, and it's actually going to be really fun because it's the first one that they're opening this summer, so their summer pub crawls have started. I'm going to start heading off now. In the day you saw what I got up to. I didn't really do much after that, just came back, ate, slept. So I'll show you what tonight looks like. It should be really good. Let's go. So we're on our way to the pub crawl. It is nearly 9 p.m. and the sun is still out. I love it. I love it so much.
Luxembourg City.
Woo! Okay guys, we are in the third bar. You can tell I'm already tipsy. We're heading to the club after this, but we've got an hour here. So yeah, we're gonna get some shots, we're gonna get lit, and I'll show you what the rest of the night looks like. Okay, I'm heading back from my night out. I'm gonna get some food and then head home. But yeah, it's been a really good night, and I'll check in with you tomorrow because right now I'm not decent. But yeah, the night has been really good. Definitely recommend the pub crawl in Luxembourg, and I'll check in with you tomorrow. So, hi, good morning guys. So today is day 2 in Luxembourg. You would have seen what I got up to last night. I walked around the city during the day, and then at night I did the pub crawl, which was a lot of fun. So I'm finally gotten ready. I'm gonna have lunch, I think, just at my hotel, and then head out. I've got a tour booked in the evening, which will be really good, and I think I'll just wander around again, see some more things that I didn't get a chance to see yesterday, and I'll take you along with me. So let's go. So today has been a little bit of a change of plans because it started raining, and also it's a Sunday, so I didn't realize loads of like buses, they do run, but they're like on a slower schedule and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to be flexible, move things around. Haven't really done much yet and it's close to 4 p.m, but I will show you whatever I do end up doing.
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
So unfortunately my walking tour got cancelled today, and I'm actually really mad because they didn't let me know beforehand that it was going to be cancelled, and they cancelled because of the weather, and it was raining but then it stopped. So yeah, anyways, I'm heading back to my accommodation now. I'm gonna figure out if there's anything else I want to do tonight. I've heard Luxembourg at night is really good. If not, I'll just call it a day and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, hello, hi. So today is another day. I'm booked onto a walking tour today, so I'll be able to see a lot more of the city and show you that. And also I plan to go to the Corniche Wall as well, which apparently has the best viewpoint of Luxembourg, so I'll show you what that looks like as well. Okay, so we're now at the balcony, or the walls of Corniche. It's known to be like the prettiest view of Luxembourg as well, so let's go.
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Along the Corniche from starting at that one building, we went down here. If you want to go do that walk through the Abbey, you walk.
So I just got done with my walking tour. It was really, really good, very informative. I wanted to book go to the Casamates, but unfortunately they're fully booked today and they only have 3 p.m. tomorrow, so I won't be able to do it. I'll check the Bock Casamates to see if I'm able to do the tour there, and I'll let you know. Okay, so I'm spending my last evening outside of the old town. I'm seeing a different side of Luxembourg, which is really, really cool. We found this. It's like I guess a tourist attraction, and it's by the Philharmonie, which is the opera house here. So yeah, if you're ever in Luxembourg, also do check out other parts other than the old town as well. So I'll show you what else there is to see outside of the old town. Okay, hi, good morning. So today is my last day in Luxembourg. I'm off to the Casamates. I'll show you what that looks like, and then I'll be heading to the airport. So let's go. crossing a bridge path now, and like below me you can see some ruins. So I'm at the Casamates now, and I'm just exploring the ruins of the castle, and I'll show you what more of it looks like. Check out this view! How gorgeous is this? Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to end my vlog now.